Good morning, students. So, some more problems in tangents and normals. Important questions. Problem is find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 at the point where it cuts the x-axis. So solution. Given curve is y is equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. We want to find the equation of the tangent at the point where it cuts x-axis. Where it cuts x-axis means if any point lie on x-axis, then y is equal to 0. If any point lie on x-axis, y is equal to 0. Substitute y is equal to 0 in the given curve equation. So 0 is equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So this implies this by value shift this side. X minus 7, 0 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0 into something is equal to 0. So x minus 7 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 7. Therefore point cuts x-axis is point cuts x-axis is 7, 0. So at the point 7, 0 we want to find the equation of the tangent. Now y is equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So simplify this. X minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. X into x, x square. X into minus 3, minus 3x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x. So minus 3x minus 2x. This is minus 5x. Minus 2 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 2 into 3, 6. So curve is y is equal to, instead of x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3, I am using x minus 7 by x square minus 5x plus 6. Differentiate with respect to x on both this side. Then d by dx of y is equal to dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x minus 7 by x square minus 5x plus 6. So d by dx of u by v. U by v means v square, denominator square. So x square minus 5x plus 6 whole square. So denominator into x square minus 5x plus 6 into derivative of numerator. Derivative of numerator means d by dx of x minus 7. D by dx of x is 1 minus d by dx of 7 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Minus of x minus 7 into d by dx of denominator. D by dx of x square minus 5x plus 6. D by dx of x square is 2x minus d by dx of 5x is 5 constant quotient. D by dx of x is 1. So minus 5 into 1 is minus 5 plus d by dx of constant is 0. Now we want to find the slope of the tangent first. So slope of the tangent means, so dy by dx is called slope of the curve. So slope of the tangent at the given point means dy by dx at the given point we call it as slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent m is dy by dx at 7, 0. In dy by dx wherever x is there, write in the place of x is equal to 7 and y plus is 0. So this x square minus 5x plus 6, this is nothing but, we'll write it as x square minus 5x plus 6 is nothing but, this is the value of x minus 2 into x minus 3 minus of x minus 7 into 2x minus 1 whole by, so this is x minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square. So dy by dx, right in the place of x square minus 5x plus 6 is the expansion of this one. So write that value here. So dy by dx at x is equal to 7 or at the point 7 0, right in the place of x is equal to 7 here. So 7 minus 2, 5 into 7 minus 3, 4 minus 7 minus 7, 0 into 2 into 7, 14, 14 minus 5, 9, but 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2 is 5 into 7 minus 3, 4 whole square. So this is nothing but 5 into 4 is 20 minus 0 into 9 is 0, 20 minus 0 is 20 by 20 square. 20 square means 20 into 20. So 20 by 20 into 20 means 1 by 20. So slope of the tangent is m is 1 by 20. Now we want to find the equation of the tangent where it cuts x-axis. So cuts x-axis point is 7 0. So equation of the tangent is at 7 0 with slope is, tangent slope is how much? 1 by 20. So equation of the line passing through the point x1 y1 with the slope m, then equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is x1 y1, this is m. So y minus y1 is equal to 0 is equal to m means 1 by 20 x minus x1 means 7. So y minus 0 means y is equal to 1 by 20 into x minus 7. So 20 should this side, 20 into y, 20y is equal to x minus 7. So this implies x, this 20y should that side, minus 20y minus 7 is equal to 0. So required tangent equation is x minus 20y minus 7 is equal to 0. Next numerical, find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta. Yet theta is equal to pi by 4. So solution of the problem, given x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. So x and y are functions in theta. dy by dx is called slope of the curve. So x is a function in theta, y is a function in theta. First differentiate with respect to theta these two equations. d by d theta of x, we will write it as dx by d theta is equal to, a is a constant coefficient, keep same. So d by d theta of cos theta whole cube, cos cube theta means cos theta whole cube. So it seems to be the formula d by d theta of theta. So d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So due to that result, 3 into cos theta whole power 3 minus 1 means cos theta whole square. So cos square, in the place of theta, theta not there, then d by d theta of cos theta is minus sin theta. So in the place of theta, theta only there, then d by d theta of theta is 1. So dx by d theta is equal to plus into minus minus 3 into a 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Y is also a function in theta. Then differentiate with respect to theta on both this side. D by d theta of y is, so dy by d theta is equal to a is a constant quotient keep it same. D by d theta of sin cube theta means d by d theta of sin theta whole cube. Means it seems to be the formula d by dx of x cube. X cube is 3x square. D by d theta of theta cube is 3 theta square. Here theta is sin theta whole square. Sin theta whole square is nothing but sin square theta. Here in the place of theta, theta not there. Then d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta. So again in the place of theta, theta only there. D by d theta of theta is 1. So dy by d theta is equal to 3 into a 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Now slope of the curve dy by dx is equal. So this one we write it as dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So dy by d theta is, what is that? 3a sin square theta into cos theta by minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. So this into 3a cancel. So here cos theta cancels, in denominator cos square theta is cos theta times. And the sin square theta cancels with the denominator sin theta is sin theta times. So remaining value dy by dx is equal to, in numerator remaining is sin theta by denominator is minus cos theta. So this value is equal to minus sin theta by cos theta is nothing but minus tan theta. Now we want to find the slope of the normal to the curve. So dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. We call it as slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the tangent is dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. In dy by dx, wherever theta there, write in the place of theta is equal to pi by 4. Then minus tan pi by 4. So minus tan pi by 4 is tan 0.5. Tan 0.5 is equal to 1. But we want to find slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is equal to, slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So this is minus 1 by slope of the tangent is minus 1. So minus 1 by minus 1, that value is equal. Therefore, slope of the normal to the curve at theta is equal to pi by 4 is 1. Next number, find the points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x-axis. So we want to find the points at which tangents are parallel to x-axis. So solution of the problem is, let pxy be any point on the given curve. So the curve is y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. So dy by dx is called slope of the tangent. So now differentiate with respect to x on both this side. So dy by dx of y is dy by dx is equal dy by dx of x cube is 3x square minus 3 into d by dx of x square is 2x minus 9 into d by dx of x is 1 plus d by dx of constant is 0. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 3 into 2x is 6x minus 9 into 1. So tangents are parallel to x-axis. Slope of x-axis is 0. So that is dy by dx is equal to 0. So substitute dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. Throw the equation, divide by 3. So this one becomes x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here x square quotient is 1 and the constant is minus 3. 1 into minus 3 to get minus 2. Write the factors. Sum or differences to get minus 2x. So x square minus 3x plus x. Minus 3 into plus 1. Minus 3 is the same as the product of x square and constant. So minus 3x plus x will get minus 2x. Minus 3 is equal to 0. So common out x from first two terms. So x minus 3. Common out 1 from last two terms. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here x minus 3, here x minus 3 there. X minus 3 common out, then x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this product is equal to 0 means either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 3 or x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1. So therefore required points. So we want to find the points means required points are minus 1, 0 and 3, 0. See here, we want to find the points on the curve. Pxyb lies on this curve. So required points are, if we want to find, then x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Substitute here. If x is equal to 1, minus 1, then y is equal to Pxyb points are lies on here, not x-axis please. So means x is equal to minus 1. Substitute in the given curve. Then y is equal to how much? Minus 1 whole cube. 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. So minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 9 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 9 plus 7. So this is plus 9 plus 7 plus 16 minus 4. Plus 16 minus 4 means plus 16 minus 4 means 16 minus 4 1. Therefore, point is minus 1 comma 1. If x is equal to 3, another point, then the xy point lies on this curve. If x is equal to 3 means, then substitute here x is equal to 3 here. Then y is equal to 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 minus 3 into 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Minus 9 into 3 is 27 plus 7. So plus 27 minus 27 gets cancelled. Y is equal to minus 27 plus 7. So this is minus 2. Therefore, another point is so 3 comma minus 2. So required points are so x is equal to minus 1 case, y is equal to 12. So minus 1 is 1 point and another point is x is equal to 3 case, y is equal to minus 20. So 3 minus 20. Next numerical, find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. Solution of the problem. Px y be any point on the given curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Then dy by dx is called slope of the tangent. So differentiate with respect to x on both these sides. D by dx of y is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube is 3x square minus 11 into d by dx of x is 1. 11 into 1 is 11 minus d by dx of constant is 0. So slope of the tangent is 3x square minus 11. But given tangent is y is equal to x minus 7. Now it seems to be the formula y is equal to mx plus c. So m is equal to x coefficient. X coefficient is equal to 1. Therefore, slope of the tangent is one. So here by taking point on the curve is xy, then slope of the tangent is 3x square minus 11. This tangent is parallel to this line means that lines are parallel, slopes are equal. So to that reason, then equate these two slopes. So therefore, equating these slopes will get 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. So 3x square is equal to minus 11 should that side plus 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So x square is equal to 12 by 3. It is 4. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus. Now we want to find the point on the curve. So if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 cube minus 11 into plus 5. So y is equal to 2 cube is 8 minus 11 into 2 is 22 plus 5. Plus 8 plus 5 plus 13 minus 22. Plus 13 minus 22 is minus 9. Therefore, one point is 2 comma minus 9. So if another point is if x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal, substitute x is equal to minus 2 here. So then y is equal to minus 2 whole cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. So this is minus 2 whole cube is minus 2 cube is 8 minus into minus plus 11 into 2 is 22 plus 5. So plus 22 plus 5 plus 27 minus 8. So plus 27 minus 8 means this is 9. Therefore another point is minus 2, 9. Hence required points are 2 minus 9 and minus 2 9. Here we got 2 points. So 2 points means this is the curve. Tangent means this one. So point satisfies both curve and line. So 2 minus 9 if we are taking, point lies on this curve. As well as x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 9 if I am substituting in this line. So this one satisfies. X is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 9 means minus 9 is equal to 2 minus 11. Minus 9 is equal to minus 1, 9. So this one satisfies this line also. But if you are taking minus 2, 9, So is this tangent satisfies or not? Tangent means point lies on the curve as well as lies on that line, same point. So if I am writing minus 2, 19 here, so what happened? So x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 19. If I am writing 19 is equal to minus 2 minus 7. So 19 is equal to minus 13. Is it equal? Not equal. So not satisfies this point, this curve. So here we want to find the point on the curve. So which is tangent is this means only one point is satisfying both the curve and tangent. Hence required point is 2 comma minus 9. Only one point satisfies. But here seems to be 2 points are there. In these 2 points, this point satisfies curve as well as the line. But minus 2, 19 is not satisfying both. So this is not the point. Only one point is satisfying both curves.